Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check recent trades on Delta Exchange app. Delta Exchange is a crypto derivatives trading platform that allows you to trade future options and spot markets for cryptocurrencies. It provides tools for tracking the market, spotting trends, and managing a portfolio efficiently. And one key feature is the ability to see the recent trends and market movements, helping traders make informed decisions. First, open to your Delta Exchange, and over here we can find out this Delta Exchange app interface. What you can do is you need to go to this chart book on the bottom beside the trade, and over here on the top we can find this recent trades beside the order book. Tap on the recent trades over here. Over here you can check the coin details, price chart, percentage change, 24-hour or the 7 days, and trading pair and the exchange source as well, and the market movement history. And tracking the recent trends on Delta Exchange is essential for making informed crypto trading decisions, and by exploring the markets or the trade section, checking top gainers, top losers, and most active coins. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.